We're giving you the tour of No Filter office. Bomb food, like just look at it.
Oh, पहली बार मेरे साथ vlog section हुआ है. Let's make out. That was scary. Listen. Oh my God, Sakshi, what the is this?
Your nonsense.
Hello, it's your shark. ये intro अच्छा है क्या? It's your shark. Hello, it's Shark. I'm still spent so many years on YouTube. अभी तक I don't know मेरा intro क्या होगा, but I think I'm gonna stick to this. It's your Shark. Today I'm back with another vlog. तुम लोग को भी vlog देखने में मजा आ रहा है, and personally even I'm enjoying shooting vlogs. And today I'm assuming it's going to be another interesting day because I'm meeting one of the creators in person. And another thing, I can't believe we are close to around 90k subs. Still feels surreal. My eyes are getting watery. Oh my god, but I can't believe my channel has 90k. Till date, somehow when I start filming, I'm still like, कौन देखेगा, थोड़े ही लोग देखेंगे. But today, ऐसे करते करते we are on 90k. It's crazy. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel if you are. And I'm not gonna tell you to subscribe and help me reach 100k first or whatever. You can do it if you want to. I'm just gonna say that the day it happens, the day I hit 100k, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry because I've been waiting for it. I've been dreaming of that moment since a really long time, so it's gonna be extremely special. Whew. So with that, let's continue. So today I'm meeting her and we're gonna do some fun stuff. Shoot some cool reels. I think reels abhi tak aa gaya hoga Instagram pe, so if you all want to see, you all can go like on my Instagram account and watch the reels that I shot with her. She's Ria, another whack creator. We're gonna shoot a very interesting video, which is gonna be a separate video for my channel, which is reacting to what my followers think are turn-offs in boys. So I'm gonna put up a poll on Instagram and ask my followers like their turn-offs in boys, and we're gonna like make a video reacting to it. So stay tuned for that. वो next आएगा. So yeah, now I'm gonna just go and I'll catch you guys when I'm with her. Bye bye.
Our conference room, we like all white in here for positive energy.
We're giving you the tour of No Filter office.
Area is well thought out by one of our artists. I would love that, right?
Yeah,
Ria is getting too excited. She's jumping around and stuff.
So that we can brainstorm out here, chill here.
okay.
Do that.
Look at the wall art. So sick. Look at this.
NANI?
Disturb you any further?
That's it.
Yeah.
कैसे लगा रिया ऑफिस?
मुझे no words. I've never seen सच में मैंने सुना था कि ऐसे ऑफिस होते हैं, बट मैंने देखा नहीं था because मैं ऑफिस पे आज तक मैंने कभी पाव ही नहीं दिया किसी भी. Like I've never had an internship. I've never done anything serious.
She's directly killing it on YouTube.
Thanks to speak women on Omegle. सब उनकी कृपा है.
Guys, our food is here and all of this is from Kronal's Canteen. They serve like bomb food. Like just look at it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
हम फूड को ट्राई करके रेटिंग देने वाले हैं.
Yes, vlogception. Oh, पहली बार मेरे साथ vlogception हुआ है. Let's make out.
Just Ria thinks. मैं बोलूँगी कि मैं इतनी बात आई मैं ऑफिस रूल्स भूल गई.
Can you pass me the spoon?
I think
please?
only one drink has come. My drink has not come.
Your drink was very high maintenance.
It's white pasta.
Try the photo.
We're gonna do some food ratings. ठीक है. पहले हम fries try करते हैं. Fries guys. This is lemon something something fries.
Okay.
ये lemon something something.
Lemon something something. I like lemon.
तो इसका outer layer is like very crispy and अंदर का is nice. That's how I like my fries. I don't like McDonald's के कभी बहुत
Soggy
होता है.
I like fries in general. I don't like ज़्यादा ही crispy. मतलब हाँ इसका perfect है. बाहर से crispy अंदर से soft, just like me. And Sakshi maybe. I don't know.
Yeah guys, she's crispy on the
That was scary. I've had such experiences जहाँ पे मतलब सच में काटा है. मेरे को मेरी niece ने बहुत गंदी तरीके से. Oh my god, Sakshi, what the f is this you mean?
thumbnail, oh my god. दिख रहा नहीं है.
What is
तेरा
it?
फूल नहीं दिख रहा है. I'm eating her for the first time and I've creeped her out. I was ready.
My ex-boyfriend told me I don't taste good, so.
No, she tastes good.
Oh, thank you, Sakshi.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
What are we gonna try next?
That was so fun, so iconic. मतलब French fries in हाथ में है, but you're eating me.
चल पहले green करते हैं.
Okay.
This is pesto pasta. This is my favorite sauce of all the sauces.
Too healthy for me.
Too healthy है ये. ले लो.
हाँ, कुछ anything green just.
Oh my
Nice.
god. This is really good.
How much will you rate it?
I think I'll rate this like a 9 on 10. It's very creamy also. It's not dry. तो वो भी एक बहुत yummy चीज़.
I rate this 7 because it's not my personal taste, but it's good. This one, pen pasta, mixed sauce.
Pink.
So pink बोलते हैं.
तो order करते हो कुछ तो बोलेंगे को समझा नहीं.
हाँ, mixed sauce. Ooh, my coke is here.
What do you call this, Riya?
Pen pasta?
Penny.
मैं बचपन से पेन बुला रही हूँ, मेरे को किसी ने करेक्ट नहीं किया आज तक.
पेनी इसको बोलते हैं, ये जो शेप है ना इसको पेनी बोलते हैं.
Because I used to order pen pasta, penne pasta.
Bro, what did you just say?
And वो पिंक कलर का आता ही था, तो मेरे को पिंक बोलना नहीं पड़ता था, you know. It's from my favorite cafe. So I think उनको पता चल गया था मैं क्या ऑर्डर कर रही हूँ, तो इसलिए मेरे को करेक्ट नहीं करते थे और दे देते थे. But now it's embarrassing because I was just saying it wrong the whole time.
Yeah, when we were ordering, but then they asked what is she was like pen pasta. I was feeling like, bro. We are actually not allowed to eat in the office. So before they come, let's just fucking.
What the fuck यार. मेरे को जॉब कैसे मिलेगी यहाँ पे? जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए आई थी भाई. Wait,
This is too funny. Damn, I'm like choking.
what the fuck? Don't die, please. That will be another disaster that I don't want to handle. They're hanging out outside and they don't know what the fuck is happening here.
My eyes are watering. This I literally choked.
Everything is back to normal.
We're having a food party. Bro, I'm actually reeling like a creep.
We literally met like half an hour ago.
What is this risotto? And apparently Mihir said it's bomb, so
Okay.
ये भी बहुत creamy और मस्त लग रहा है.
मुझे खीर लग रहा था ये. खीर जैसा ही है, बस salty. Why did you laugh, huh? Dirty girl.
This I rate probably like 600. I
Same.
think it's salt and all the rest.
Yeah.
Garlic bread.
This is how I eat it.
Nice. Overall, we are very happy with the food.
8 on 10. Very cheesy, very creamy. Love it. अब शांति से खाते हैं.
Same.
Bye bye.